Despite global turmoil, India's economy is showing surprising strength. A recent government review credits strong domestic demand and steady manufacturing for this resilience. And here's a report.
India's economic engine is cruising along despite choppy global waters and a country busy exercising its vote. A recent government review highlights strong domestic demand, particularly in rural areas. This, coupled with healthy investments and steady manufacturing growth, is the secret sauce behind this resilience. Inflation, a headache for many economies, is showing signs of cooling down in India. This positive trend is reflected in the Reserve Bank of India's decision to hold steady on interest rates. Their focus, keeping inflation anchored around 4%. The Reserve Bank of India acknowledges potential challenges like geopolitical tensions, unpredictable weather, and a forecast for a wetter than usual monsoon season. Considering these factors, they've projected inflation to inch up to 4.5% in the coming year. But the overall outlook remains optimistic. Both the Central Bank of India and the International Monetary Fund are bullish on India's economic growth. Stock markets are scaling new heights, goods and services tax collections are impressive, and both manufacturing and services sectors are experiencing growth. Consumer and investor confidence is on the rise, adding fuel to the fire. Analysts predict smooth sailing for the country, with poll outcomes having little to no effect. The global trade picture, however, is less vibrant. Reduced demand in developed economies and a slowdown in global trade have led to a contraction. This translates to a moderation in India's exports and imports. What is the silver lining? The trade deficit is narrowing as import declines outpace export declines. Non-traditional exports like software and business services are showing particular strength. All this has contributed to an improved current account deficit for India. Capital inflows into India have also seen a significant turnaround. The country's foreign exchange reserves are at an all-time high, enough to cover import needs for 11 months and well over 100% of its external debt. In conclusion, India's economy continues to grow. Strong domestic factors, price stability, and a healthy external sector are propelling the country forward even as global conditions remain uncertain. As for the foreign investors tracking India's elections, they expect policy stability and favorable political environment as the poll outcome. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.